How to add 1-minute video on Instagram without splitting. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the App Store on your device and in the search bar search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. In order to be able to add a minute-long video in Instagram, the only thing that you have to take note of is to use a fully updated version of Instagram, since this feature does not work in older versions of Instagram. Open the Instagram application on your device now. Swipe right and here you will be able to add your stories. Select the video that you want to post. I will choose this 1 minute 37 seconds long video. Now select the portion of the video that you want to post. You will be allowed to select a minute-long video. Tap on Done after selecting and now you can make changes accordingly, like adding filter, sticker, and effects. Tap on your story option and a minute-long video will be added to your Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.